How to add a new contact in WhatsApp. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a new contact in WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on a device. If you're an iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and if you're an Android user, you can download it from Google Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Now to add a new contact, first you need to tap on this chat section from the bottom. After that, click on this plus icon on the top right corner. Now click on this new contact. Now type in the first name on this first field and last name on the second field. And on this mobile option, type in the phone number of that person. And after all the credentials are written, then simply click on this done option. And that's it. This is how you add a new contact in WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.